Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. I'm going to save you a little bit of money if you stumble upon possibly a dishonest shop. Hold on. Okay, so I'm working on this Toyota Corolla, and one of the things, line 3 on the customer's list, it says the check engine light is on. Okay, let's check this out. Alright, the check engine light works as part of the bulb check. You can see that over in the left hand corner of the dash. Sorry about that. And over here the maintenance light is on, and the oil light, all the bulb check lights are working right now. Start it up. Okay, so the check engine light went out, the seatbelt warning light is flashing at me, but in this case it's just the maintenance light. Now, if you were to stumble upon a dishonest shop, they might jump all over this and tell you need a bunch of stuff that you don't need, and I'll just reset the maintenance light. But anyway, get familiar with your car and the lights, because you could save yourself a bunch of money and possibly not get taken by somebody else. Until next time, like and subscribe. Drive safely.